Hello YouTube, this is Jamil, and in this video tutorial we'll learn how to create a glowing circle in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get video update first. Go to file and create a new file by 800 width and height, resolution 22, color mode RGB. Okay, now go to ellipse tool and create a circle. Hold down shift and drag a circle. Also go to fill and none the fill and stroke. Increase the size of stroke 40. That is good. I like this. So if I want to change the background color, go to solid color and now select this layer and click this ending and solid color and black. Create a new layer and brush tool and select a white color. Increase the size of brush by pressing. That's it. Now change the color of to black. This is for full. Now add luster and blending option. In blending option, gradient overlay. I am choosing this one and change the color to blue. This is good. Okay. Now this is angle 90. Go to window, timeline, and create video timeline. So here is our timeline, and convert this layer to this twice layer. Take this layer and style 1. Now here click this and change the gradient overlay to 0, angle to 0. Click OK. Now click style and change the gradient overlay angle to -90. Okay. Now style and change the gradient overlay to -180. Okay, that's it. 1 2 3 4. Now this is the last one, and change the gradient overlay to 90. That's it. Loops playback. Check this. Increase the size. Now go to file and save for web. select GIF and looping option forever. Looping option in forever. Save the file. Save file as glowing circle. Glowing circle. When done, go to documents and open the glowing circle. That's so in this video we learn how to create a glowing circle in Photoshop. If you like this video, please like my video and subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.